What's the meaning of Baltic? Baltic. Baltic.
Baltic. Baltic. The term Baltic can refer to a variety of things depending on the context. At its most basic, the word denotes something or someone that originates from or is associated with the region around the Baltic Sea. This area encompasses modern-day countries like Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland, and parts of Russia and Germany. The term can also refer to the Baltic languages, which are spoken in this region and include Lithuanian, Latvian, and Estonian. Additionally, the term Baltic can refer to cultural or historical events related to this region, such as the Hanseatic League or the Baltic Crusades.